everyone, I welcome you to our another class on Gyan Hub, and today we are going to discuss about the development, how it's related to the human life and how it's different from the growth. So all these concepts are very much important to learn pedagogy, and we are offering our class for the upcoming CTET examination. So stay tuned with us and hope you give us your valuable feedback on our videos by watching it. Okay, so let's start our new topic on today, that development and its different different kinds of role which is related to the learning process. Okay, so actually what is development? Okay, first of all we must know the definition of development. So development refers to both qualitative and quantitative senses in the human life, which taking place actually with the senses of growth, with the senses with growth. Okay, so development and growth দুটাই মানে কি হয় একেলগে হয়, but development is both qualitative and quantitative. Okay, so if we are talking about development, we see that it is actually the physical, mental, emotional, all these kinds of development is related to that particular word development. So there are so many educationists which gave their valuable speech and gave their valuable definition on that particular word development, which is very much important to learn before going to have any kind of discussion on pedagogy. Okay, so according to E. Harlow, what is development? Development is not limited to growing layer. So it is not like a development. Development is not like growing some stages of human life. Instead, it consists of progressive series of senses to work towards the goal of maturity. So it is not only the physical growth, it is also the qualitative growth of human being till the maturity. Okay. So according to J.E. Anderson, development is concerned with growth as well as those senses in behavior which results from environmental situation. Okay, so কি কৈছে according to J.E. Anderson, development is concerned with growth. Growthৰ লগত আমাৰ কি হ'ব development as well as those changes in behavior which result from environmental situation. তো development হোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ যিবিলাক changes আহে, like আমি emotionally developed হওঁ, socially developed হওঁ, morally developed হওঁ, language developed হয়, আমাৰ motor skill activities, physical development. So এই যিটো আমাৰ changes আহে body সেইটো কিহৰ লগত related হয় আমাৰ চাৰিওফালে থকা যিটো পৰিৱেশ. Okay, according to J.E. Anderson. And lastly, according to Haynes Weiner, development consists of two processes, integration and differentiation. Development of দুটাই process আছে, এটা হল integration and another one is differentiation. Okay, so there are actually some major characteristics of development. These are like development is both qualitative and quantitative, and it is possible to actually measure the rate of development, and development is what different from, and it is different from person to person because it is influenced by the environment, endowed by the environment, and also the environment and heredity actually. Okay, so that's why development is different from person to person. Okay, so there are different stages of development. What are these? First one is what? Physical development. When we are grow physically, when we are developed physically, like when we started to playing, studying, writing, etc. When we develop our motor skill ability, jumping, swimming, etc. are called the physical development of a person. And also the skill development also related to that type of development, like a person learn to write, read, all these things are related to the physical development. Then come to the cognitive development. Cognitive development actually related to the intelligence. When a person grow his intelligence power, how to think, how to understand, how to criticize criticize a situation, all these things are related to the cognitive development. Then come to the another point, which is social and moral development. So what is social and moral development? Actually, social and moral development means when a person socially and social and emotional development. Socially and emotionally developed. Social development means what? when he learned to adjust with the other members of the society, when he learned to think the rules and regulation of the society, and after that emotional development. Emotional development means when he try to understand others' emotion, when he try to control his own emotion, how to react in a situation. So all these things are related to the social and emotional development. So one thing and one definition given by actually Harlock, who gives a definition on social development. So according to him, social developments means actually the acquisition of the ability, okay, to have in accordance with the social exceptions. Okay, so this is called development according to social and emotional development according to Harlock. Okay, then come to the another point, which is language development. So when a child developed his language also developed. He learned to talk, he learned to communicate with others, he learned to express his things. So all these kinds of development is related to the language development. Then come to the another point, moral development. So moral development মানে কি নৈতিক বিকাশ। সে শিশু এটা যেতিয়া কি কৰিব morally যিকোনো এটা situation জাজ কৰিব শিকে, what is right, what is wrong, all these things are known by a child, then he is morally developed. Okay, when he understands the rules and regulation of society, what is wrong for him, what is right for him, all these things are related, then it is called what? Moral development. Okay, moral development. Okay, so it is the clear description or clear definition of the development. Then growth. Come to the next point, growth. So what is growth? In comparison to development, growth is actually development of the different parts of human body and the ability of those parts to work. Okay, to work. So this is called growth. Growth মানে কি আমার physical organs গুলা, physical body parts মানে hand, muscles এগুলা develop হব, হেতু কি বলি কয় growth. Okay, so according to what Herbert Stevenson, physical growth means what? Heavy in size and big in size. Okay, it is called growth according to Stevenson. Okay, so there is actually differentiation between growth and development. Okay, growth means the physical development of the person, but development means the all-round development, like language develop hobo lagibo, moral, social, emotional, all these things also develop. Okay, so growth is quantitative but development is what? Qualitative. So it is very much easy to measure growth, but it is not so much easy to measure development. Okay, so development actually started from the conception to the maturity. Okay, but growth started at particular period of time and it ended particular period of time. Growth is not lifelong, but development is lifelong. Okay, so here is the main differences between growth and development. So please see the video and give your valuable feedback on our video. So that's enough for today. Let's continue our class. Okay, here I think you have all understood all these things properly, and let's meet you all in our next video. Thank you.